So hello everyone, today we will be going to solve this daily LeetCode problem, maximum matrix sum. So let me quickly explain you the problem first. So in this problem we have given n cross n matrix, and we can perform any number of operation by choosing any two adjacent element, and we can multiply it by -1. So if it is positive we can make it negative, and if it is negative we can make it positive, and vice versa, right? And we can choose any two adjacent element in this matrix and we can perform this operation. So our target is to return the maximum sum of matrix after performing all the operation that are required, right? So if we see this example over here, we are given this and matrix, and over here we are having -1, and over here we are having -1. So we all know that we need to somehow make negative numbers into positive one, right, after performing or kind of. So we can choose this two by making this positive and this is negative, and then after choosing this two, this will also get turns into positive. So we will be having all the positive number, and when we sum this all the elements we will get this 4. So we all know key, let's say if we are in this matrix, if we are having even number of, like from the observation we can say that if we are having even number of a negative number, we can convert them in positive number for sure. How we can do it? If we are having any element, let's say this is the matrix we are having, and we are having one negative number over here and one negative number over here. So we'll start from this point, we'll make this positive, and let's say this will turns into negative if we have chosen this two, and this will come positive, and this will negative, and this will come negative, and this will turn positive when we choose this two, and we have this two again adjacent to each other. So we will choose this and we'll make all the positive. So we can do it, but let's say if we are having old number of negative, so there will be always one element left which we can't convert into a positive number, right? So what that one number we can leave it, what that one number we can kind of left it, so it should be absolute value of that number should be as less as possible. So in the matrix what we will find, we will find the minimum value of element, and we can let it be negative. So our answer would be sum, total absolute sum minus the one which we are choosing as negative one, whichever is minimum one, and we need to subtract it from sum as well, and we need, as this number is negative, we also need to exclude it from this one. So we have absolute sum of all the elements, we are subtracting the minimum value which we are deciding to take it as negative, and now we are having element of all the sums expect this one, and this also need to be subtracted. So we have subtracted that minimum value again. So our answer will be sum of all absolute values minus 2 into num, and this num is also absolute, and this should be minimum. So this is our answer. So let's code it out quickly. So answer can go in long ends, so let it be end of answer, let it be sum. So we are having sum first, we will be iterating in our matrix. Let's convert this into a. So if a of ij, we need to count key whether we are having even number of negative number or odd number of negative number. So we can have a count of, let's say negative number is assigned as 0 first. So if the value of this a of ij is negative, we need to increment the count of this negative number. Now we need to include this in sum as an absolute value as we have decided, and we also need the smallest value out of it. So let's say if our count of negative number is odd, then we need that minimum absolute value in the matrix that need to be subtracted. So let's first assign the int max to it. So minimum is equal to minimum of mn comma absolute value of a of ij. So if our cnt neg modulo 2, if it is even, we don't need to do anything, we just need to return sum, and if it is not even, then we need to return this sum minus 2 into mn. And let's convert this as well into long int so that we won't have any problem. So if I run this, yeah, our solution works. Let's submit this. Yeah, so the time complexity of this problem is, we are just traveling in the matrix. So if it is of n cross n, so n square, right? So we are just traveling in the matrix, so it will be n square, and we are not using any extra space, so space complexity is of 1 only. Yeah, thank you for watching this video. If you like, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.